Hello everyone, welcome back to Military Highlights. According to The Drive, Spain and France have announced that they will both be delivering ground-based air defense systems to Ukraine. This development has taken place as NATO member countries collectively rush to provide Ukraine with advanced air defense capabilities they need to combat attacks, like the recent barrage of Russian cruise missiles and drones on Kyiv and other Ukrainian cities. In a press briefing held Thursday, NATO Secretary-General Jens Stoltenberg announced that Spain would be sending 4 medium-range homing all-the-way killer Hawk air defense systems to Ukraine. The country is also providing Kyiv with ground-based Aspide anti-aircraft missile systems, on which 19 Ukrainian servicemen have been training since early October. French President Emmanuel Macron has yet to reveal which specific air defense systems France intends to send to Ukraine, but all signs are currently pointing to the Crotale short-range missile system. While there has been no official confirmation from the Spanish government about the Hawk delivery, in a separate press briefing held yesterday, Chairman of the Joint Chiefs of Staff General Mark Milley specifically mentioned Hawk was requested by Ukraine. Spain currently operates 2 Hawk types, Phase 1 and Phase 3, but all Hawks underwent a major improvement program in the 1970s that redesignated the system as Improved Hawk, or IHawk, which is how it's being referenced by the US government. The IHawk officially left US service in 2002, despite never actually being used in combat, but was also adopted and used to varying degrees of success in many other nations, including Spain. The IHawk system comes in 3 different phases designated as Phase 1 through 3, and as aforementioned, Spain possesses the MIM-23B HAWK Phase 1 and Phase 3. The IHawk's technical specifications vary between phases, but the improved version overall uses an M192 launch unit and features a 163-pound blast fragmentation warhead and an M112 rocket motor with a boost and sustain phase, on top of the improved guidance package noted earlier. The new motor increased the IHawk's engagement envelope, with the missile boasting a minimum range of just under a mile and a maximum range of just under 22 miles. Introduced with the IHawk Phase 3 was a new pulse acquisition radar part to optimize the missile system's ground equipment for use against longer range, higher altitude targets. The new NMPQ-50 part employed a digital moving target indicator intended to help separate targets from otherwise distracting ground clutter. The Phase 3 battery also features a continuous wave acquisition radar (CWAR) designated as an MPQ-62 that comes mounted on its own mobile trailer to acquire a target's radial speed, as well as raw range and directional data. The inclusion of a low-altitude simultaneous Hawk engagement lashed system is also beneficial in saturation attacks, as it allows IHawk to simultaneously intercept multiple low-level targets. In 2021, Spain began upgrading its IHawk systems to what it calls Hawk 21. These modifications included newly digitized electronic components for the otherwise analog tracking radars and launchers, with the intent to ensure the system's compatibility with next-generation technologies, although it is unclear what those are. Spain also hopes that the upgrades will extend the Hawk's service life into the 2030s.